Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's vanAmsen. Today we got an interesting SQL problem. We will be focusing on problem 1321, restaurant growth. So our challenge is to compute the moving average of customer payments over a 7-day window. It's a great problem that brings together a few key SQL concepts, so aggregation, joining, and the use of built-in functions. So now let's break down our strategy here. So first we need to find the sum of the amount for each day, and then for each day we need to find the sum and average of the amounts from this day and the preceding 6 day. So let's jump into our SQL query and implement it. So select visited on as visited on. So sum be day sum as amount, round average be day sum 2 as average amount from select visited on sum amount as day sum. And yeah, so what next? From customer and group by visited on A and join select visited on some amount as day sum. So from customer group by visited on B on date difference A visited on B visited on between 0 and 6 and group by A visited on having count B visited on equal 7 and order by A visited on. So this is our query. So what we did. So first we need to find the sum of the amount of each day, and then for each day we need to find the sum and average of the amount from this day and the preceding 6 day, so to have a rolling average. So yeah, let's run our query to see if it's working at all, and then I will explain if it's working. Yeah, so hopefully it's work, and we have correctly calculated the average amount. So what we did, we start with two nested subqueries, A and B, and in both we are selecting visited on date and the sum of the amount for each unique date from customer table. And then we are joining A and B on the condition that the difference in dates is between 0 and 6 days, giving us a 7-day rolling window. So next we are grouping by a visited on field from the subquery and select this field and the sum of B day sum as amount and the average of B day sum as average amount as well. So finally we are filtering results using the having clause to only include group that contain exactly 7 days and ordering the result by visited on. So there you have it. Let's run it for unseen test cases as well to see if it's working. Yeah, so it's working, and we beat 64% with respect to runtime. So all good. So yes, let's see. So main part of this query as mentioned. So we select, and we have this between 0 and 6. So it's a rolling window, and we count only one having 7. So this having a rolling window, and we have, as mentioned before, both A and B. So A and B. So 2 nested subqueries, and in both we are selecting visited on. So we have, yeah, let's make another color. So visited on and visited on, and then we take a difference between visited on for day 0 and 7. So its total like will be 0, 6. So it's 7. Yeah, and there you have it. So I hope it will help you understand how to use this such of SQL in real world problems. And I hope this video was helpful. And if you enjoyed, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more SQL and tutorials and coding challenges. And as always, feel free to leave your question and feedback in the comment section below. And most important, keep practicing, stay motivated, and happy coding. See you next time.